Welcome back to another video. When I say consistent, we're going to be consistent. So today we're going to go ahead and do finger coils. These are the products we're going to use. We're going to use Aunt Jackie's flax gel and the custard, and then we're also going to use this Cantu argan oil. The shea butter is way better, but argan oil is the one that I had at that time. We're going to start off with parting. I don't use a comb for this part because I feel like the coils look more natural, so I just part it with my hand as I go. And I'm gonna use the Cantu shea butter first to moisturize the hair. This is better done on damp hair, so make sure your hair is wet because it gives more slip. And then the next step is to add the custard for the slipperiness, and then you will add the gel, and make sure you're combing it out as well, so keep it tangle free and the coils won't matter. Now that you detangled it, it's time to start the coil. You'll just start at the root and just twirl your hands all the way around until you get to the ends. This is why it's better if your hair is damp, so that it could just glide through all the way through. My hair, it was wet, but it wasn't as drenched that I needed it to be. So I had to comb out the ends and start over. And it still worked out doing it that way as well. So just make sure that your hair is damp. And I also went ahead and used clips. You don't have to use the clips, but I wanted to use it just to make sure that my roots laid down properly. I went ahead and repeated this whole process throughout my whole entire head till I was done. And that is it, and you'll see the final results at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.